How to do vertical months animation in Edit page in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on Titles, and bring a Text Plus in Timeline. With the text selected, open up Inspector panel. Here I paste a list of months each in one line. Adjust the styles of the text to your liking. Increase line spacing if you want. Now go to Layout tab and decrease Center Y value until the first month is in the center of the frame. Click on Settings tab and expand cropping options. At the bottom of Viewer from drop-down choose Crop. Drag these handles to crop the text and only one month be visible in the viewer. Increase softness to around 10. Now go back to Title tab and move Playhead to the start. Click on Diamond button next to Center to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to 4 seconds forward and increase Center Y value until the last month is visible in the center. This will create another keyframe. From Settings tab, check the Motion Blur checkbox and increase shutter angle to 360. To smoothen the animation, click on this button to open the Text on Fusion page. Open up Spline panel and check the Template checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. If you want more curves, hold down the Alt key and drag these handles to increase the curve in a straight line. And go back to the Edit page.